What's up everybody, it's Tech Lead, and today we're diving deep into the world of Android rooting. Rooting your Android device gives you admin privileges, full control, like having the keys to all the doors in the system. You can tweak and customize almost anything. Want a completely different look and feel for your phone's software? Rooting can do that. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Rooting can void your warranty. You could even end up bricking your device if you're not careful. Let's get started. Alright, let's break down what rooting actually means. Every Android phone comes with some restrictions put in place by the manufacturer. Rooting is like breaking free from those restrictions. You gain access to the root directory of your device, the control center of your phone's operating system. With root access, you can modify system files, delete bloatware apps, and even install custom ROMs. Rooting opens up a whole world of customization and performance tweaks. But with great power comes great responsibility. So let's talk about the good stuff, the reasons why people choose to root their Android devices. One of the biggest draws is customization. Rooting lets you customize your phone at a much deeper level. Think custom themes, fonts, icons, and even animations. Then there's the performance boost. By rooting, you can overclock your phone's processor, making it run faster. Rooting also unlocks additional features like built-in ad blocking and Wi-Fi tethering. And let's not forget about the freedom to remove pre-installed apps that take up valuable storage space. No more annoying bloatware slowing down your device. Now before you run off and start rooting your phone, we need to talk about the potential downsides. One of the biggest concerns is security. When you root your phone, you're opening up the possibility of malicious apps gaining access to the core of your device. Rooting can void your warranty. If something goes wrong with your phone after you root it, you're likely on your own in terms of getting it fixed by the manufacturer. Bricking your phone is the worst-case scenario. It means you've messed something up so badly during the rooting process that your phone is essentially unusable. Finally, rooting can lead to compatibility issues with certain apps and services. So, you've heard the good and the bad, and you're probably wondering, is rooting right for me? Well, it depends. It depends on your comfort level with technology, your willingness to accept risks, and how important those potential benefits are to you. If you do decide to root, there are a few precautions you need to take. First and foremost, do your research. Understand the process, the risks, and the potential consequences. Next up, back up everything. Before you root, make sure you have a complete backup of all your important data. When choosing a rooting method, stick to reputable sources. Stick to well-known and trusted developers and communities. So, there you have it. Rooting your Android phone can be a fantastic way to unlock its full potential, giving you incredible control over its look, feel, and performance. But it's not a decision to be taken lightly. Before you root, make sure you understand the risks involved. Carefully weigh the pros and cons. If you approach it with caution and a sense of adventure, rooting your Android can be a rewarding experience. Until next time, this is Tech Lead, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.